Ça va bien? What a glorious morning. It makes me sick. Welcome, welcome. Happy Halloween. Do you know who I am? Put it in the comments below. Today I got a fun one for you. We're gonna make some DIY ghost doggy costumes. You've seen it before on the internet, but you haven't seen it with me, the novice. We're gonna give it a whirl. Do you like my outfit? Looks good, doesn't it? Depending on the amount of dogs, which stay till the very end because it's not just Basil. Basil, come. Come. Not only do we have her, but we will have some little ones I will steal away and make deathly ghosts. How does she look? Do I have lipstick everywhere? Guys, I put makeup on today. Okay, glasses weren't part of the costume, but I cannot see without them, and I don't know where my contacts are. Repieced my ears just for you. Basil! For today's video, what you need for the DIY ghost costumes is a pair of scissors and white sheet. Let's bust these open and make some ghosts, guys. My ghost. Down. Good job. Yes, come little children, I'll make you a ghost.
We're filming.
We have our sheet. We're using the fitted one. We had an accident. It's okay. First, I think we need to like cut this part off if you're using a fitted sheet. Don't you love arts and crafts? All right, now that I've gotten this all cut up, I'm gonna go ahead and place this over her and cut 2 holes for the eyes and then 1 for her long nose. Oh, it's okay. Stand up. Yes. Good girl. Stay. Stay. Sit. It's okay. It's okay. I think if that's long enough. Oh, baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna just put some eyes in there. Let me see how far apart your eyeballs are. Like that? Okay. That's pretty good. I'll do that. Oh, this is gonna make you look so spooky. Oh my God, we got little, come here. She's gonna be a ghost. Come here, come. Cookie, can you sit? Sit, please, be very calm. Sit, shh. Come little Basil, lay it down. I just need to get where your nose is about. We won't put the whole thing on you. Look, can you see out? How much lower is your eyes? Or your mouth and your eyes? Right there. I think I just need to get the whole hole and just stick her nose in it. This is the risky part. I'm gonna make holes for her mouth. I mean, it's a ghost, right? So they have different shapes, sizes, just like everybody. Here you go. So a little Tinkerbell. Oh, Basil, come here. Okay. Yes, good girl. Hold on. Just hold on. Second. Good girl. Oh, she's so spooky. Oh, she's so spooky. Let me see. Oh, is it working? Come. Oh. Basil, come this way. Let's just put it on here. That way. Oh, yeah. Okay, where are your eyes? Here. Right here. Oh. I'll tell you what. Once YouTube kicks off, I'm going to get some good scissors. You know? Oh, them should be better. Oh, you're friends with it now. You're friends with the sheet. You become one, sensei. Become one sheet. Come, little Basil. Let's try it again. I made the eyes a little bigger. So let's see if that will be a success. Can she see? A little bit. Ooh, you got eyeballs. Can you see, little girl? Oh, you just wanted to see. You just wanted to see. Her one eye is good, but I gotta fix this one. She's so fucking cute. Okay, let's make the one eye bigger. Just a lot. I took a lot off that eye accidentally. I made the one eye a wonky eye. Oh, look at this little baby ghost. Spooky girl. Oh, yes. Well, come this way. Oh, so yeah, okay. I think to make it work, like if we wanted to like go for a stroll as ghosts, I would need to really tailor it in.
Is that a pun?
Yeah, on this case. We're just having some fun in nature, backyard. It is what it is. Didn't get the eyes quite right. I think it's very important that you see. But I have a few other dogs to practice on, so let's stop torturing Basil and get to the littles. Go get our next prisoner. I have my next victim. I'm going to apologize to you in advance. This is Millie. I kidnapped her. All right, Millie, welcome to my shop. We're gonna make you into a beautiful ghost princess. Oh, yes. Let me see, my little girl. I thought it would be easier with babe.
Basil.
Babe.
Basil, come here.
I just need to see what kind of stature you got. Your nose right there. We should do the nose first. I think that's a good idea. No, Millie, the eyes. I think the clue is, I think what I'm learning is the hole needs to be a little bigger. Don't want to give her eyelashes. It's not necessary. Are you ready to put on your costume? I wonder if I should cut a hole for the ears. That's too much. I can barely get eyes and nose here. She can see! Okay, so the pillowcase idea, it's not long enough. But if she's sitting, she'd be a cute ghost. Look at this. Is it in your eye? There you go.
Hey, look at this camera.
Look at her. She's a little ghost. I don't think I'm getting better on my eyes, but it's not quite there. I still think Keith's a little made the sheet pink, but I think that's gonna be okay. See if she'll walk towards you.
Millie, come here.
Oh, she wants out. Okay, you're done. Thank you for coming. Come back again next year. And we won't do repeat ghost costumes next year either. I've already got ideas for next year. The pillow sheet idea for the littles, and Millie's a little girl. She's like 6 or 7 pounds. Wasn't big enough. I'm glad I got the whole set, because what I can do is once I clean the part that got muddied up by Basil, I can use those for all the littles. If I'm gonna be honest, I'm probably not gonna torture them again until next year. Or Christmas. Come to me, Molly. Hello, how are you, my little princess? How are you? Oh, yes. She's a wiggle butt. I have an idea. I wonder if Millie's costume would work for her. Am I getting lazy here? Maybe, but shh. This is my show. Okay, let's try it. Let's just try it once. Just try it once. You never know, you might like it. How are ya? How is she? Is she liking it? If she can't, well, you can see a little bit. You and Millie are kind of the same. Thank you for being here. Dang, her nose must have been big because it busted through the eye socket. Come, little Iggy. It's just a pillow sheetie. Actually, 50% of it. Come here. You want to have some fun? Do you want to have some fun, my love? Do you want to have some fun? Yes, we do. lay down right there. Oh, not show my feet. I didn't have shoes for the outfit, so. Shoes away. Oh, baby. I think just a little nose right there is gonna be fine. I don't think this is supposed to be the method, but her eyes are really watery, so. Right there's the holes. And it's very close. You can't cut it too much. Shoot! Okay. I broke the eyeball. So it turns out, not only is it a poor decision to do this with crappy scissors, but also with crappy sheets. I can't get that song out of my head since I've become this character. All right. Ollie. Where the? Make it a little wider. I just. This isn't turning out how I thought I would.
It's so funny.
Come here, baby. She's just laying on his arm.
The baby.
The child.
The loaf.
The child. Come, little children. I had a vision also that I would get us all out here in our costumes and take a photo. I'll give it a whirl, but I don't think it's gonna happen. We got bigger eyes this time, I promise. I promise. Ah! How does she look? Because her eyes are so close to her nose, we're just gonna put them both in there. How does she look?
Look at the camera. Looks good.
She's done. And since she's done, we'll let her be free. Go on, little baby, be free. Well, she's not running away, so. Here comes Basil. Were you jealous that you weren't being a ghost? Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite scary movie? Mine? I don't like scary movies. But I do love Hocus Pocus, obviously. I know you had to look quickly because they quickly disguised in different ways out of their shapes and forms. But tell me, were they spooky? No, they weren't. Not at all. I see my problem. I make bigger holes for you. Her eyes are getting absolutely huge. Or is that her mouth? Wait, no, that's her mouth. I lied. I'm doing okay.
Yeah.
This is her mouth. This is the last time I torture you for tonight. Oh my god, you are too cute. Oh my god. Look at her. She's a little ghost. Spooky. Hey, Spooks. Look at the camera. Oh, Spooks. Is her eyes out?
One is. Here, hold on.
Basil, call her.
Basil.
See, the sheet's a little too big. It's okay. Oh, no. Is her eyes out? Is your eyes out?
Look at the camera. Basil.
Are her eyes out? I can't see her. Novice Express, definitely, we took today. We didn't quite get them to stay on, but we had fun. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you're down for this type of content because I got more coming. Thinking outside of the box of RV life. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you all have a great, fun Halloween. Stay spooky. Oh, Basil. Ow. Okay. Getting all start. Get the game on. Go. Dude, I love a wig. I think I might want to get into wigs. What do you think? You think I should get into wigs?
Oh, I did. Okay, that is staying in with no sound because I'm talking, but I zoomed in right on you doing this.
I don't like to wear makeup. I used to wear a lot of makeup back in the day. But now I'm more of a minimalist when it comes to makeup. So, this lipstick is like, does it look funny? I like, hey, it's good lipstick. Is it still on my vape? Wow. And cut. What's that one song they do? I put a spell on you, and now you're mine. I put a spell on you, now you're mine. So you better subscribe.
I love to wear a pretty dress.
Okay.
Yes, I'm recording.
Did I do it?
Where'd you go?
Come, little children, I'll take you away. I'm
Okay.
not sure the words.
Turn around.
Peter's probably gonna get me for this. This is the end of my career. I only got like nothing. You better come back next week and subscribe. Wait, no. You better subscribe and come back next week.